So I have all my bases made. I already have a video for the pawn. I can do it again and make it a little more like the example here. But I'm going to jump ahead and take one of these medium-sized pieces that is 20 by 20, and I'm going to turn it into a rook, which is this piece right here. It looks like a castle traditionally. So I'm going to work on this piece right here and use a cone and a cylinder to make this shape. So I'm going to grab a cone from here. This base is, let's see, 8 millimeters high. So I'm going to take this and raise it up 8. It's a little bit too big to rest on top of here. So this base I have to make down to, let me try 16 by 16. Remember to hold down the shift key when you're doing this. And let me align everything. So it's resting right on top of it. I want to make the cone a little bit smaller. So I'm going to click off the screen. Just select the purple cone and make this a little smaller. Hold down shift. Remember, you can always just reach inside these number box and type in a number. 14, enter, and 14, enter. Now it's a little bit smaller. I have to realign it. That's pretty good. Just so it has a slight little slant here. I'm going to make this cone a little bit taller. Let me see. Right now the cone is 14. I'm going to stretch it up to 20. Now I'm going to grab a cylinder from over here. And I'm going to shrink this cylinder down, hold down shift. I'm going to click on the boxes this time and type in 12, enter. And I'm going to lift this cylinder up to right around here and place it. Select all this, align it again. Just have to go down a little bit lower with this. I'm going to hold down Control and arrow down. There we go. Now I have to add another cone, but upside down this time. So I'm going to grab a cone from over here, turn it upside down, 180 degrees. Hold down Shift. I'm going to make this one about 14 by 14. Raise it up, drag it over. I'm going to hold down Control and tap up 3 times to do it. Zoom out a little. Select, align. There we go. So now I need to put, I could put a little ring here or a crushed sphere, and then another cylinder on top of it. So let me grab a sphere, click off, tap on this. I'm going to make this one 14. 14. That is not what I wanted. Let me hit the undo button. I'm just going to hold down shift. Nope. Undo one more time. All right, hold down shift. Shrink it down to 14 by 14. I'm going to crush it real thin. Grab that top one, crush it down to 2. Raise it up. Bring it over. And then again, hold down control and tap up. Like really small movements. And I'm going to align all this. And now I need a cylinder on top of this. You know what, let me make this ring a little bit bigger here. So it sticks out a little bit more. I'm going to make this 15 by 15. I don't know why it does that. 15. 15. Now I need a cylinder for the very top piece. I'm going to take this and make the base of it 15 by 15. And I'm going to shrink it down to, I think size 10 is going to be close. Raise this up. Put this on top. Zoom out a little. I'm going to hit Control up. Try to get it right on top of that blue. Down. Pretty good. Take a step out. I'm going to align all this. Okay, so now I need to make a little hole inside this cylinder. So I'm going to click on, click off. Make my new cylinder, I'm going to go 12 by 12. I'm going to take this piece, grab a corner, make this 12 by 12, rise it up. Also, while I'm here, I'm going to turn this cylinder into a hole. I believe that was 10, so I'm going to make this 8. So this is 8 depth and 12 by 12. I'm going to try to get this on top of this. Get it right in the center. Select everything. Align. Center. Center. And now if I can just join this, group everything. Starting to look pretty good. Now if I take these notches out, I'm going to grab a box and squish it down to, I'm going to go 2 millimeters. Raise this up in the air. Drag it over. Raise it up a little higher. Oh, sorry, I'm just dragging it. I'm going to raise it up. Looks pretty good right there. I have to align it though. So let me take this, align. This time I'm just going to align from the front center. And now I'm going to join. So I took that notch out, and now I'm going to do one more of those over here to finish up the rook.